Hey everyone, this is Aditya and today I am talking about Power BI concept. So today is a Power BI session. So let's start the video. So friends, today I am talking about the Power BI most valuable concept is DAX. DAX is a concept where interviewer or other concept is all based on the Power BI. Heart of Power BI is DAX. The magic functions and the other important functions usually in DAX. The DAX is a main part of Power BI. So you can prepare for uh, Power BI or you can just start to learn the Power BI or you can learn some Power BI tools. The DAX is very important for interview purpose. So what is DAX? DAX is a data analysis expression. Data analysis expression is a formula language is Power BI. So DAX is used for calculate the function and other purpose in Power BI. So DAX is used in Power BI, SAS, Power Pivot and etc. So DAX is mainly used in Power BI. We can use DAX for created calculated columns, measures, custom logic. So DAX is used for this. Why DAX in Power BI? So without DAX, the Power BI is just visualization tool. DAX gives you all the power of advanced calculations, business logic, give better insights. So friends, we can learn some basic function of DAX. Beginner should know it. So first one is sum. Sum calculate the sum of column. So second one is average. Average is calculate the average of data. So third one is calculate. Calculate function is a magic function in Power BI, the heart of Power BI. So third one is related. Related function is used to fetch the data from another table. And the if function is a logical function. You can build some logic from our data and create new column from if function. So we can give some important note for Power BI. So DAX worked row by row for calculating columns and whole table of measures. So in the interview, the question about the DAX, I am just ask some one question to you. What is different between sum and sum x? So I am giving the answer. So sum x is a better than sum. This is this is evolution of sum x and this is more powerful. Sum is just calculate the total column. So friends, this is DAX function, all the advantages, disadvantages, uses and what and why of DAX in this video. So thank you for your attention. See you tomorrow with new topic. Thanks for watching. Thank you.